Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. First, we're going to start off with skincare, of course. This is a moisturizer, but it's also a sunscreen. It's super affordable. I'll leave a link down in the description. Always moisturize your face before you apply your foundation. It'll make it go on way smoother. And it'll make you have a great makeup day. Let's just say that. And make sure you get your neck when you're putting on moisturizer and sunscreen. Alright. I'm using the Juvia's Place foundation and e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Do you like that? Looks like poop. Alright, I'm not going to put on a heavy layer of this foundation because it is very thick and I don't want my makeup to be too heavy. This foundation is a little yellow on me, but that is okay. It's very hard to find my foundation shade because I am very neutral. Don't forget your forehead. I heard some girls don't put foundation on their forehead. That's a little weird. Are you one of those people? It's okay if you are a girl. Just next time, foundation on your forehead, please. We're using the LA Girl Pro Conceal because I do have dark circles. I am a mom, so I am always tired. A cute little heart, my nose and my chin. I'm putting on a good amount under my eyes. I'm using that same brush I used for foundation to do my concealer. I always sweep upwards just so it makes my face look more shaped, if that makes sense. Now the Coty Airspun, tried and true. I do go ham on this setting powder. Look at my eyes, you guys. I put way too much. But I'm not dragging the brush in my face. I'm actually tapping it in because I don't want to move the foundation under. So tap, 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 you guys. Do not drag. And I'm using the Sculpting Face Brush by e.l.f. in the BH Studio Pro contour palette. I don't contour every day. I'm using the darkest shade. I'm just trying to chisel out, make me have some cheekbones. I am using this darkest shade going under my chin to hide my double chin. But I am on my weight loss journey, so hopefully I can lose some of this weight and this double chin, you guys. I'm also gonna bring it up on my forehead also. I noticed this is kind of hard to blend, so I'm actually gonna go in with the same brush I used for the setting powder, and I'm just gonna blend it into my skin better to get rid of any like harsh lines, as you can see. And I'm doing a lighter shade. I'm gonna contour my nose. Like I said, I don't do this every day either. But a little nose contour never hurt anyone. I also bring it into my eyelid, if you see that at the beginning. This looks like a seamless look. And I'm using that brush. I blended my nose out with the same translucent powder brush. I think this is the LA Girl Brow Pomade. I'm gonna saturate that eyebrow brush with it. And time to do my brows. Now this is a dark brown. I should have got black, but it is what it is. Just make sure you take your time. If you want a cleaner look, use your concealer to shape out those eyebrows even more, like I'm doing here. Just make sure you blend it in if you're going to use a concealer for your foundation. Now I'm using a flat brush and we're going in with this Wildflower palette. I don't know who it's by, but I'm just using this bright orange color and I'm going to go under my eyelid. I'm not going to put eyeshadow on top of my eyelid today, just under. I'm just lining it, my lower lash line with the eyeshadow. Let's zoom in so you can see it better. I'm just tapping it. Of course, take your time. And now we're going in with the 24/7 inks by Urban Decay. I meant to grab the color 0, but I accidentally grabbed Oil Slick. Oil Slick is like this black with like a shimmery gray on top. It's really pretty, but I meant to grab 0, which is just pure black. But later I will grab 0. You guys will see me. See, this is 0. This is just a matte black, and I love 0 so much. So I have 2 different color eyeliners on, and that is okay. It came out looking pretty cool still. You can't really tell that much. They don't have to be perfect. They're cousins, not sisters. The wings I'm talking about. Looks pretty cool. I'm using the Great Lash by Maybelline. I'm going to do my upper lashes and then my bottom lashes. And I'm going to go in with another mascara to make my lashes look more fuller. I'm using the Lash Paradise. And this is just to make my lashes look fuller because the first mascara made my lashes look very separated and very nice. But now I want them to look more fuller. And I'm very careful on my bottom lashes because my bottom lashes are so thin. That's how it looks. Looks like I'm wearing falsies, but I'm not. Just mascara. And then we're going with the Juvia's Place Blush Palette. I am going in with that orange and brown. I'm focusing on my upper cheekbones. I am doing it a little heavier on the blush today. I don't know why. I felt like doing a heavier blush. And that is okay. Do what you like, you guys. Put a little bit on my nose. Bring some color back into my face. And then we're using this Huda Beauty palette. I'm not sure what it's called, but I love it for highlight. The tip of my nose bridge. I'm like rubbing in circular motions on my nose bridge. It just makes the product smooth and better. And then I'm doing my Cupid's bow. I'm just rubbing back and forth. And then I'm actually going to do my cheekbones. I'm using that same sculpting brush that I used for the contour. This is going to give just like a wash of highlight. Nothing too bright and crazy. Just like when I hit the sun, when the sun hits me in the right angle, I'll be shining. How pretty. Just a nice glow. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray to set all this makeup. I felt a lot. And then I'm just going to fan my face to let it dry. And last but not least, I'm using the Sephora. I know it's a liquid lipstick, but I don't know the shade of it. It's really nice. I need to actually call it a lip tint if I'm correct. I'm not sure. If I find it, I'll leave a link down below. But it's a very like thin formula and it dries down very nice and matte. And that is the look, you guys. Tell me if you like this quality. Please subscribe. It does help out my channel a lot if you subscribe. Thumbs up this video. Leave in the comments what kind of makeup look you guys want to see next. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And have a beautiful day, guys. Bye.